For people who with higher credit scores have more down payment, there are favorable terms in FHA. But FHA does have a mortgage insurance. The interest rates are low. The cost of entry is low because it's 3.5% down, but they come with mortgage insurance, which kind of eats up a good chunk of your mortgage payment. But if you have higher credit scores, 720s and above generally, you can get away with getting a 5% or a 10% down loan. It does still have mortgage insurance. It may not be as high as the FHA. It's a little bit more less. But as far as purchasing power, with that, it's a lot better. You can do obviously the 20% down conventional loans. So if you're looking for something in the lending world, which you need a rehab, there's FHA 203K loans. Those loans absolutely you can use to remodel a home that you want. A little bit more tricky because the seller needs to be willing to be in an escrow for almost about 2 months to be able to get that process started. But if you want more information, obviously come to realtybyruben.com and give me a call or email me. The other option is one of my good girlfriends. Her name is Magali Zapian. She's known as the Lone Girl here. We've been doing business together for 20 years. She's a plethora of knowledge from VA to FHA to conventional to the down payment assistance program. Don't be embarrassed to gather your documentation and present it to a mortgage lender. They're going to be able to help you. Look, we don't get paid unless we help people and succeed in getting a home. So having all that paperwork up front and being able to sit down with a mortgage lender or a real estate agent like myself who's knowledgeable about financing. Most agents don't know financing, so it's very, very rare. I started in the financing field and then moved over to the real estate side. So a real estate agent is knowledgeable about financing or a mortgage lender. Gather your documentation and have a consultation. And what it does is it can help build a roadmap for where you want to go and where you need to be. So if somebody has, let's say, a 680 credit score, and they're only 40 points away from being able to reach 720 and get better. If you knew that a year in advance, there's things that we can do, rapid rescores. We can give you like a synopsis of what you need to do to be able to get your score to the 720. So there's just things that we can do, and it's better for you to start in advance so that way you know whether you qualify. Once you get that letter in hand, that is your ticket for that you can walk in any house and know that you can buy it because you already have the letter in hand. So definitely you want to get pre-approved and pre-qualified before you go searching for a home. Any agent that's in their right mind isn't going to go show you a house anyways, unless you have that pre-approval or pre-qualified letter in place. So definitely a good deal. Reach out to me here and I'll point you in the right direction.